Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to start question answers of chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. Question number 1 is list conditions under which combustion can take place. The answer is combustion is a process of reaction of a substance with oxygen. There are certain conditions required for combustion such as presence of fuel. Fuel may be solid, liquid or gas. Examples like coal, kerosene oil and natural gas. Second one is air, that is oxygen, and third one is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the substance catches fire. Question number 2 is filling the blanks. A part is burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. The answer is pollution. B part is a liquid fuel used in homes is LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. C part is fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature before it starts burning. As I told you earlier, ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the substance catches fire. D part is fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by dash. The answer is water, because water is heavier than the oil. It sinks below the oil and oil keeps burning as it is floating on the top. Question number 3 is explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. As you must be already aware that carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburned carbon particles. These fine particles, they are very dangerous pollutants causing respiratory diseases such as asthma. So these fuels has been replaced by CNG in automobiles because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amounts. This is a cleaner fuel. It does not produce smoke. Hence, the use of CNG has reduced air pollution in our cities. Question number 4 is compare LPG and wood as fuels. Here we will see the comparison. LPG, it is a gas fuel, whereas wood, it is a solid fuel. LPG, it does not produce any smoke and ash, whereas wood, on burning it produces smoke and leaves ash. LPG, its calorific value is high, whereas in wood, its calorific value is low. Now, what is the calorific value? Calorific value is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. It is called a calorific value. Its ignition temperature is low, that is of LPG, whereas in wood its ignition temperature is high. In LPG it is easy to transport, whereas wood it is difficult to transport. LPG is easy to store and wood it takes a lot of space to store. Question number 5 is give reasons. Water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment. The answer is water is a good conductor of electricity, and the same is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment, as this may result in electric shock. The B part is LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. LPG has a high calorific value and produces no pollution. It is a cleaner fuel. So it is a better domestic fuel than wood. C part is paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not. A piece of paper wrapped around aluminium pipe does not catch fire easily. This is because aluminium is a metal and it is a good conductor of heat. Therefore, heat is transferred from the paper to the metal and the paper does not attain its ignition temperature. Question number 6 is Make a labeled diagram of a candle flame. Here we have shown you the diagram. So there is a candle over here. The innermost part, that is the unburnt wax vapors, that is the black part of in the center. The middle zone of there is a partial combustion takes place, that is the yellow part. And the outermost part where there is a complete combustion takes place, and it is the hottest part, which is blue in color. Question number 7 is, name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. The unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed is called kilojoules per kg. Question number 8 is, explain how carbon dioxide is able to control fires. The answer is, carbon dioxide, being heavier than the oxygen, covers the fire like a blanket. Since the contact between the fuel and the oxygen is cut off, the fire is under control. It also brings down the temperature of the fuel. That is why it is an excellent fire extinguisher. Question number 9. It is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily. Explain. The answer is, green leaves have a lot of moisture in them. That means it has a water in them. This moisture does not allow them to catch fire easily. However, dry leaves do not have moisture in them. Therefore, they catch fire easily. Their ignition temperature is low. Question number 10 is, which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver, and why? So the answer is, goldsmith use the outermost zone of a flame for melting gold and silver because it undergoes complete combustion and is the hottest zone. Question number 11 is, in an experiment, 4.5 kg of fuel was completely burnt. The heat produced was measured to be 180,000 kilojoules. Calculate the calorific value of the fuel. So the answer is, heat produced by 4.5 kg of fuel is equal to 180,000 kilojoules. So 1 kg of fuel is equal to 180,000 divided by 4.5 kgs of fuel. Therefore, the heat produced is equal to 40,000 kilojoules per kg. Hence, the calorific value of fuel is 40,000 kilojoules per kg. Question number 12 is, can the process of rusting be called combustion? Discuss. The answer is yes. Rusting is a kind of slow combustion because in this, iron combines with oxygen and gives out heat or light energy or both. Question number 13 is, Abida and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in the outermost part of the flame. Whose water will get heated in a shorter time? The answer is, Ramesh water will get heated in a shorter time as the outermost part of the flame is the hottest zone. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.